So why would you even want to contribute to a Roth IRA? Like what makes it fun, flirty, and sexy?
Well, those tax-free earnings are pretty good. Tax-free only in the US. I don't know about your local country.
Stay vigilant.
Yes!
Hi guys, it's Vanessa from Wander Onwards, and today I have a very special guest, my internet best friend, Natalie.
Hi everyone, Natalie from My Expat Taxes.
So Natalie, how did we meet again?
We're really internet BFFs.
Yep.
We met collaborating. So Vanessa did some work for us for My Expat Taxes because she is the queen of international wealth management. Honestly, yeah.
I appreciate that. I'm trying. I'm gonna take over this world.
So she's the queen, and we did an Instagram live together, and we just connected because we're both from California.
Yeah.
Except NorCal.
SoCal.
We're both from California, and as you can tell, our personalities are kind of similar, just a little bit.
And if you can believe it, this is the first time we're meeting in person. Like, we've never met in person before, and now I'm gonna go sleep at our home with her baby.
Internet BFFs.
Yes, agreed. All right, so why would you even want to contribute to a Roth IRA? Like, what makes it fun, flirty, and sexy?
Well, those tax-free earnings are pretty good. Tax-free only in the US. I don't know about your local country.
Stay vigilant.
Yes! Roth IRAs can be amazing tools because you can contribute up to the annual contribution limit of $6,000 combined of all your IRA accounts. Combined. I love that. I love that. Combined, you can contribute up to $6,000. Of course, if you're older, that can be bumped up to $7,000, but let's just say $6,000. You can contribute that much per year. Watch out though, because you can only contribute the lower of $6,000, the annual limit, or your taxable compensation. A little math for you. You work abroad, you earn 100K abroad, you exclude all of your salary via the foreign earned income exclusion. 100K minus 100K equals 0 taxable compensation, means you can contribute the lower of 0 or $6,000. So you cannot contribute because it's 0.
Whoops!
So assuming...
Confused about what to do with your money abroad? Well, I can help with that. My financial fluency course will give you the perfect overview of how taxes work, budgeting methods, investing options, and so much more. Check the description for details.
You did not exclude all your income with the foreign earned income exclusion because expats, you do not have to use 2555. It's not a requirement. You can use the foreign tax credit. We'll help you choose with My Expat Taxes. Regardless, assuming you can contribute, now you gotta watch out if you have too much income. And that sounds like, oh, that must be a lot.
Rich people problems, yes.
Not rich people problems, because if you are married to a non-US citizen spouse, and you don't have a dependent and you can't be head of household, do you know what your modified adjusted gross income limit is?
I'm too scared to ask.
10,000 US dollars, but it already gets phased out the minute you go over 0. So basically, if you make money and you have to file US tax return, you probably cannot contribute to a Roth IRA. However, you can always do what's called a backdoor Roth IRA contribution. That means you contribute to a traditional IRA. And I'm getting really technical now, and I know I'm probably gonna lose you, but if you're interested, these are the key terms to Google later or to ask your financial advisor. I hope it's the latter and not Googling. It is to contribute to a traditional IRA, then immediately roll it over into a Roth IRA. So then you have money in your Roth IRA, but technically you contributed to a traditional IRA, and you have to make sure that your traditional IRAs are seen as non-deductible. That sounds all super confusing, super easy to claim on your US tax return with My Expat Taxes. Because we know expats out there want to contribute to their Roth, and that married filing separate threshold is kind of crazy.
It is, and if this seems kind of crazy to you, we're going to be running a wealth building workshop later this year. You can see the replay as well, but get your ticket, settle down with us, because if we can't figure it out, no one can.
True statement.
True statement. Of course, if you are liking this video, drop a subscribe, hit that bell to receive a notification when videos are posted, because I release videos every single week. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.